Alright, so I had an epiphany last night. Alright, that they say intelligence is metacognition. Now, what that means is you can basically look at the emotions that your brain is thinking and change it. You can realize what emotion is going there and think about it. Can you imagine that? Now that's what meds does, right? It makes you able to think like a human, right? Like there were so many thoughts, right? And they structured. You know how fantastic it is to have your thoughts structured. Like normal people don't understand this, right? But yeah. What did I want to say? Oh yeah. So metacognition. Once you're in control, right, of your emotions, then you are in control of your brain, which means you can create your own reality. Because nobody else creates your reality, you create your reality. So yeah, it was interesting to separate the two halves and actually just look at it's like the survival brain, the fight or flight brain. That guy, I could watch him go through emotions and make weird decisions, but I had a view of it and I understand it now. It's actually pretty simple. So yeah, stay blessed, guys. Away.